this might be a really bad idea, or it could be a really good idea, depending on how it works out. This is bin number 1. It's my first bin. It's been running for almost 2 months now, which is really good, coming on the 60-day mark. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be switching half the material inside this bin into shredded cardboard, because as you guys know, and I'll bring you closer in so you can see, majority of my bedding is square cardboard pieces, not actually shredded cardboard. So today I'm going to switch half the bin, remove all that square cardboard, and add some shredded cardboard to see if we can get this thing a little more dialed in. So I just flipped the bin around. As you guys know, this is technically the right side, but obviously this is the right side of the bin. I usually feed these guys here, so I'm hoping that most of the worms are on this side of the bin where the food usually is, and on the right side here is where I'm expecting to see less worms. Oh, found one right there. It actually started going in to the bedding, which is good. They're eating the bedding. So as you guys know, this is my more consistent bin. It's been about 50 days since I've had it, almost 60 days actually. So what I'm going to do is just remove all these cardboard squares, even though they're starting to break down a bit. And as I move these, I just want to make sure there's no real worms. You know, we saw that one earlier. And I'm going to take this stuff and I'm going to remove it from this bin, and I'm going to grab some material from here. My second bin, I had this bin just sitting, getting ready for more worms to come. But instead of having more worms, I wanted to switch the material, take this square compacted cardboard out. Even though I do have castings in this bin, I want to show you guys. Not as much as I would like, but obviously some is better than none. But if you check it out here, oh, there's a worm as well. You'll see castings kind of coming in. Look at that guy. Active, 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 which is really good. So what I'm going to be doing, like I said, just switching all the material over from here, taking it out, removing that, and adding new shredded cardboard to see if that's going to make a difference and help the bin. All right, guys, now for the fun part. Let's go ahead and start sifting through the material. I want to make sure, and I'll still look through it again just to make sure that I'm not taking any worms out. We're doing half this bin right now. Seems like most of the worms are on the side where the food is, which is really good. And I'll still triple check while I'm doing that. I'm just adding all the stuff into this box here that I got from Mimi's Worms, in case I got to double check it, triple check it to make sure I'm not taking any worms out. And hopefully by removing all this stuff, we'll have a better worm bin. All right, now that we have most of the material moved into this box, as you saw, there's still a bunch of worms moving, which is good. Now we're going to take this material here, get that close up for you guys to see it, and we're just going to be adding it into the bin to replace those squares. I'll bring you guys closer in. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys a little bit deeper under here. There's a bunch of worms under here, to be honest, and a bunch of castings as well. I don't want to disturb them too much, but I do want to show you guys that there's definitely activity under these castings, but I don't want to bother those guys too much. I'm just here to change their bedding, change their sheets real quick. So now I'm going to grab the material from the prior bin, and then we're just gonna get it all covered up on half the bin. It's just a mixture of shredded cardboard and some peat moss. There we go. And then what I'll do is I'll move this stuff all the way across here to this half. Then I'll switch the bins real quick. Oh. And then I'm gonna dump this stuff back in here and try and see if I can find any worms that I might have missed. And I'll also just leave it in here just in case there are any cocoons or baby worms that I may have missed. Now let's check through here. Now, I appreciate you guys being here this far. As you can see, I went ahead and I added half shredded cardboard. I didn't want to switch the entire bin all at once to create, super stress on the entire bin. Plus the microbial balances might be different. So I wanted to see if the worms would start moving here, because the last feeding I had was on this side here. So the next feeding I'm going to do right here, just to see if the worms will adjust to the new bedding. And I'll just kind of fluff it out a little bit, just making sure there's airflow in that. And what I'll do as well, I'll just get some of the castings from underneath the bin, as you guys can see here, and I'll just pour them on this side. Look at all those castings, look at that. And I'll just pour them on this side right now, just so that they have some microbial activity that they're already used to. Maybe mix it in a little bit, make it more homey for them. There we go. And those microbes are microbes that they're already used to. That will also help this shredded cardboard break down a lot quicker. So that's really good. All right, guys, so we officially made the switch. It is half and half, as you can see here. Don't want to mess it up too much. Here is what the bin looks like. Half shredded cardboard, half cardboard squares. The shredded cardboard just feels a lot lighter. So it's either I messed up my entire bin, or I helped the process, help the worms, help the moisture, improve the airflow for the actual worm bin. And so we'll just have to stay tuned to see what happens next over the next couple days to see how the worms actually respond to this. And then obviously if it does work, then I'll go ahead and switch the other half of the bin. But right now I just feel more confident, even though I could mess it up, but my other two bins, bins 3 and bin 4, have been doing fine with the shredded cardboard. So would you guys have left it? Because this is the only bin that actually has been working consistently for 50 plus days. Would you have left it, or would you have switched it like I did to try and improve the process to make it easier and more comfortable for my worms? And remember, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, because I do update these bins every single day.